Welcome, welcome. Now, is my voice clear? Are you able to hear me? Yes, shall we start? Namaste, namaste. Yeah, so let's start the webinar. I think so. Right now, I think so. Everybody wants to know about the global market. So yesterday there was a big fall. Can you show the index yesterday, DAX index? Yesterday, what happened after the Europe market opens at 12:30? I'll show you yesterday 12:30.
Yes.
The market opened here at 1283 and there was a huge fall in the Europe market yesterday. So 12:30 till 2:15 India time, 1 hour 45 minutes, they had a huge selling of more than 300 points. More than 300 points was the selling in the and same time, if we see Nifty also, I'll show you. Same time Nifty. Same time Nifty also fell more than 250 points. Same time, 12:30 to 2:15. Okay. So today, again, I want to show you the DAX chart.
$12.45.
12:45. Again, the market was 760, and they had a 300 point selling again today also. But today Nifty didn't follow the trend today. But there was a huge fall. What was the time? Till what time did they fall today?
3:45.
So if you see, till there was a huge fall also today, also 300 points. So following the DAX, after 2 months, there has been a huge fall. And why DAX is falling is because of the bond market. And can we see the bond market?
Yes.
So bond market, important bond is 10-year bond. So we took out the 10-year bonds of Austria, Ireland, Netherlands, France, UK, Greece, Switzerland, Belgium, Germany, all the top European companies. And there is a huge fall in the 10-year. This is the most productive bond. There are many bonds, 5-year, 2-year, but 10-year bonds have the highest volume. Vikas, do you have the volumes also in any case?
No, right now we don't have. We can share it later.
Okay, so most have fallen. If you see 50%, I don't understand, 50%, 22, 11. These are huge falls. So yesterday there was a huge selling, but because America was not selling, the market became slightly better. And again, there was a selling today. So we just have to be careful and look at this. This is freely available, investing.com. You can go and you can check the bond prices. You can also download the app and check what is happening with the bond prices. So something may happen. Today is also the Fed. Today the Fed meeting, like we have the Reserve Bank of India meeting every 2 months. So today we have the Fed meeting, which is going to happen at 11:30. So that's a very important meeting, which happens every 45 days. Okay. It is a statement or the meeting today?
Today is the FOMC rate decision. Meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so basically we have the Fed meeting today. So let's see what happens to the Fed. Will they give more stimulus? Will they give more stimulus today? Obviously, if we give more stimulus, but if they don't give a stimulus, we have to check. Right now, please understand everything is become global. So a global idea is very, very important. What is happening to the global bonds? What is happening to the global market? What is happening to S&P? What is happening to DAX? DAX is the German index, which is the most biggest index in Europe. So what is happening to that? So this basic idea we should have, because from yesterday something is wrong in the bond market. So there were some rumors that their credit rating might change. So there are many things happening. Okay. So because investors do not see all these things, so they sometimes miss. They don't understand when the market starts falling. So yesterday the market has already fallen, but today the market was stabilized. So many investors think, oh, yesterday was just a correction day, market is normal, and again they start buying. So be very careful with this. And also another data which I want to show you is the Nifty open interest. Yesterday, if you see, from positive, they have come negative. So this is a very important data on an app. Again, friends, I'm not marketing, but you should actually see this. You know, this is a very important data. We should see that what is happening to Nifty. This gives us the direction of Nifty. They've already sold yesterday about 53,000 contract, not 53, approximately 53, yes. They sold 53,000 contract yesterday. So if they sell another 50,000 contract, then Nifty will be under great pressure. So from 2 months, the market had made a low 23rd March. On 3rd April, it was 7,800. From 2 months, continuously the market is going up. And this is the first time we are seeing some negative news selling in selling in European market. The European bonds are under pressure. So please keep an eye on this. Please keep an eye on this and try to understand from the global perspective now. Okay, because COVID is a global problem. So anything will happen, and the amount of money all the governments have printed in the last 2 months to support the economy. So where is the money coming from? There has to be some, pressure on the bonds, right? Because they're giving so much money to the companies. Now, when the bond, so the company credit rating is under question. So there was news that there might be some credit rating issues might also come in the market. So be extremely careful right now. So if all is okay, but just be careful. Personally, if you have attended my webinars, I'm not a very, can you please try to correlate the Nifty valuation with the current economic scenario? Okay, we'll try to do that. So be very careful about the market, and please, there's one thing which we give you in our app is also the Nifty strategy. Okay, so there's a Nifty strategy which is wonderful. I highly recommend to buy this strategy right now so that you get an understanding of the trend, because most of the investors do not know what is the trend of Nifty and how to understand the trend of Nifty. And right now, understanding the trend of Nifty is very, very important. Okay, so we made a strategy called the Nifty Trend Strategy. So I highly recommend you buy this. Again, you may be thinking I'm doing marketing, but genuinely, my friends, this is very important for you to understand the trend right now so that you don't make many mistakes. Especially, I have seen right now, most of the investors have become very positive about the market, extremely bullish. everything is okay, everything is open up. Okay. So please be very careful and keep looking at the charts and everything, and try to learn. My people can give you training on the Nifty trend strategy. How do we take a sell call? So hopefully we might have a sell call within 1 or 2 days. So if you have a sell call, then till 25th June, Nifty will be down. Usually we have seen that after the sell call, Nifty falls by 300, 400 points. Right now, the volatility is so high that it may fall by 600, 700 points also, maybe more. Okay, so just be careful about it. And, another thing, as he was asking a question, Umesh, so I'll try to answer that question. Can you show the P chart, Vikas?
Yeah.
Nifty P chart.
Yes.
So this is the Nifty P chart right now. Okay, so usually at 2930 is the top of Nifty because the market becomes extremely expensive, and the market becomes cheap at 11 to 15. The market becomes extremely cheap, right? So right now the Nifty P is at 23. Just Vikas, can we have this chart properly on a different scale, updated so that
Okay. Okay.
it's not updated? I think so.
Okay. We will update it. Update it properly.
And put it a different, because we can't understand the real value here.
Okay. I will add real values also and update it also.
A proper chart format so that we can change, we can do something on the chart also.
Okay.
Show them the numbers if we click.
Yeah. Number can be done. Number can be like, we just keep a cursor, we can see the number.
Where is the number? I can't see the number.
See. 20 on 21st April. Then
Yeah,
17.
So basically right now the Nifty P is 23. You can see this Nifty P on the NSE website also. I'll show you.
Should I go to NSE website?
Yeah.
Yeah. In product indices, we have this historical data where we have P, PV and dividend yield. If I click on search, you can get it. Like if you want for how many days? Last 10 days.
Right now, see the Nifty P is 24.25. You can do it yourself also, so you can understand that what is Nifty P. Okay, is my voice clear? Mir cannot hear me. Is my voice clear, friends? Okay, Mir, problem with your computer? Please check your computer. Okay, so the Nifty P correlation is basically, as I told you, that whenever Nifty is at 28, 29, that is high. So right now you can see the valuations are still very high, 24. So the market becomes cheap when Nifty will be 15. Okay, so historically when Nifty is 15, and historic low is about 10 and 11. That's the historic low. So if you find Nifty P at 10 and 11, that's a great time to enter. That's a great time to enter. Okay, so that is the correlation with Nifty P ratio and the markets. Anybody has any question? Is Nifty correction or sustain and get corrected by earnings per quarter? See, I told you, again, the Nifty doesn't work from the earnings. Right now, Nifty is working according to the global scenario. So what affects Nifty? Can you show that chart, Vikas?
Yes, yes.
I will answer that question also, Milan. 1 second. Huh?
Yes. Yes, done. Yeah.
Okay, so what are the factors which is affecting Nifty right now? You should have greater knowledge of this right now. Right now, Nifty will move according to the global markets. Okay, Nifty will be global markets. So basically, see the bonds, the Euro bond, the 10-year bond. There's a problem with the bond market, which you can see in the investing, which I showed you. So if you click investing, you can see the bond market every day. Because can you also show the app on your phone, the Nifty, the investing.com on the app?
I need to download. So I will just download it.
And you should see the S&P 500 and the DAX. And you should have a knowledge of the dollar index and the euro currency. The interest rates, which is going to like 3-month interest rate changes every 45 days by Fed. Today is the day. So if you have this knowledge, then you can understand what is happening globally. So right now, as I said, the bond market is into great pressure. Okay, so this is very, very important, which you see. Okay, there are too many questions. Like if I answer your questions, then I will not be able to teach you something. So I know people have questions, but let me teach. I can't take personal questions of 171 people. I usually take personal questions when I have a Tuesday webinar with my customers where I take personal questions because there are few people of 45, 50. So it is easy. We do a video seminar actually, but that is not possible right now. So let's understand the factors affecting Nifty, which is very, very important. Okay. Now somebody was asking me, how did you get into Nifty? Change your. Please don't write again and again. The problem is with your computer, Mihir. You have to change your internet or you have to change your speakers, Mihir. Please don't write again and again because everybody can hear properly. Can we go to the? Can we go to
App?
No, the app. How did we decide on 9th March? There was a question. How did we decide to sell Nifty?
Yes.
The Nifty trend. Go down. So basically February, February, go down slightly, February, go down. Yeah. So 27th February, if you see, we have taught in our previous videos also that this is the open interest which we calculate from nseindia.com. So we saw that they had taken up short position of 1,47,000 contract. They were short by 1,47,000 contract. Okay. Now, and then they took another position of 70. If you see, they took position of another 1 lakh contract the next day only. So this signified that they have already told they are into a sell position. By seeing this, and then we saw S&P also did a huge breakout on 9th of March. So I see two things. I see this and the S&P index. Can you show the S&P index?
Yes.
9th March, if you see before 9th March, they had made a low of 2850. So this was the low, and 2850, they had made a low. And then the market went up. Okay. And then it gave a breakout. If you see, it gave a breakout on 9th March. So when I saw that India position also, they are creating a lot of short positions and there was a huge breakout in America, this gave me the confidence to exit the market. Because 2.5 lakh shares is usually as a huge amount. 2.5 lakh contracts. Can you show that? Right? See this area various marked beautifully. So we could understand that there is a huge problem here. And there was a short position. Can you show that short position in Nifty?
Yes.
So whenever you have to trade Nifty, you need to know the open interest. That's why I'm not marketing. I'm telling you to be a customer and see this data every day. Take training from my people. So there is a strategy of Nifty trend. If you buy, you get the access. You can take training. You can attend regular Tuesday program, which I do, so that we can train you when Nifty is in sell. So if you're a regular trader, you can save a lot of money for the next 6 months, because right now the market, if you see yesterday, 12:30, the market was 10,278. And within 1 hour, 45 minutes, the market fell by 250 points. Now, if you don't have knowledge of these things and the market falls, like I'm already warning you today that there is a problem. But if you have my Nifty trend strategy, the call will come to you. So you know something is wrong. It has been back tested. So that will protect you and you will understand what is happening in Nifty. Because what I have seen is whenever the foreign institutions sell, the client is always thinking the opposite. Client is always losing money and F2s are always making money. Okay. So that knowledge, you know, even if I share these things with you, that is the first knowledge, but you need regular training to understand what is happening in Nifty, because it is very short term. It is not a fundamental thing. But in Nifty also, we see actually fundamental data and then decide to sell Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is very, very important, my friends, to learn, understand. Okay, if you don't learn and understand, then there is going to be a huge problem. Huge problem. Okay, are we clear? Not clear? Did we understand this thing? Not understand fully. It takes time, Mangesh. You know, obviously, it is not easy to understand. That's why a regular follow-up is important. As I said, 2 things. If you're my customer, you get access to this data. Go up right now. So we have seen that when they started the clearing, it was 20,000 contracts. And now it is 45,000 contracts. Right? That means in this clearing, they've already sold 75,000 contracts already. 75,000 contracts is about 5,000 crore of sell position. Okay. Every day Nifty. This is not every day. This is what I'm training. Can you see Nifty started opening on 28th of May, which is 20,000 contracts. So when I hope you understand. Do you know about derivatives, Mangesh? Do you understand Thursday clearing to next Thursday clearing? Yes, so Thursday clearing was 20,000 contract. Is it clear, Mangesh? From here, you only see, because this is as on date. So 20,000 has turned into 45 minus. That means they have sold 65,000 contract has been sold in this clearing. The net of between 28th May to 9 June is 65,000 contracts in this clearing. So if they have a minus of 65,000 contracts, what we have seen is whenever they sell 1 lakh contract like this, then it becomes a sell. Or if they buy 1 lakh contract, then it is a buy. Okay. So this is one way to see the trend. So we back tested it, and that is what we show. Okay. Next, I'll show you another way we have. Can you show the app, Vikash?
Yeah.
The meter.
Yeah.
When you're a customer, you can get the Nifty trend meter, which is already showing buy. So there are two ways the sell comes. One is when they sell 1 lakh contract. Another is when the bar changes to sell. Okay. So if you either of them happens, then the market will go and sell. So we tested this strategy for about 4 years. We'll show you the strategy also. We tested this strategy, the Nifty trend strategy. I didn't get your question, Mr. Naresh. End of this should be end of day reach. So we tested. Can you click view more, Vikas?
Yeah.
We tested 51 clearings, and by following this methodology, 41 clearings we were right. So it is a hit ratio of 80%. And now we are also generating calls on options, which is even better. We are generating calls on options, which is better. Okay. So that is why I was recommending that if you buy this strategy, you will understand. So if you see 80%, 41 clearings, we made profits by following the strategy. So we have back tested it. We have understood it for 4-5 years. We have done a lot of understanding and we have given all the risk. And that is what we are doing to people so that they understand the trend of Nifty. The trend changes very quickly. You know. Yes, sir, app may very fast by means what? I didn't get your question, Mr. Radhesham sir. I didn't get your question. I didn't get your question.
Is he talking about strong buy, fast buy?
I didn't get your question, Mr. Radhesham sir. Sorry, cannot answer because I did not understand your question. Okay. So this is very, very important that we should have an understanding of Nifty. And we have the Fed meeting tonight at 11:30. So we have to check the markets from tomorrow morning. Again, if they give another stimulus, because America is giving so much of stimulus to keep the market. So if they give another stimulus, again the market will go up. Because the market is already up, so we are not expecting any stimulus tonight. I hope, you know, so they are printing money and taking care of the market. Any other question anybody has on Nifty? Understanding of the Nifty trend strategy? Yes, it is for multiple day. That's correct. It's not intraday. Anybody who comes for intraday, I'm not the right guy. I don't give you any intraday call. It is all monthly call, understanding. We don't give any intraday call. In fundamental analysis, we have strategies where you have to hold for 3 months. We don't have any intraday call because I want to avoid, because intraday trading, very few people make money. 99% lose money. So my humble request to all of you that if you're doing intraday and if you're losing money, please stop it. Because there is no end and there's too much stress. There's too much stress. But when you buy these strategies, it is more for it is coming from a very intelligent point of view. It is tested. It is based on open interest, not on technical analysis only. So it has the success ratio is higher. Okay. And again, if you are not into FNO, then please, again, I request don't buy these strategies. This is only for people who understand FNO, who understand Nifty, who understand derivatives. Okay. So we also, what we do is, would there be a derivative hedging or not required? I would do a derivative hedging. I'll show you. So what we do is when the sell call comes, is today right now the market closed at 10,100 approximately. So if a sell call comes, so tomorrow we will sell 10,300 and 10,500. This is called to. So we will sell 10,300 and buy 10,500. Okay. So this is a hedge strategy. Again, I repeat, and that strategy, when we call count, it has a success ratio of 96%. Okay, so we tested it. No, monthly, everything is monthly, Vinod Kumarji. There is no weekly. There is no weekly. Okay, it is all monthly. It is all monthly. That depends on your risk profile. That depends on your risk profile. I think so. One lot cost about 50,000 rupees. So maybe you can start with 2 lots, 4 lots, according to your risk. Please remember, there is always a risk involved into doing these things. Derivative is highly, highly risky. So you have to be very careful. If you have not done it before, I recommend please don't touch. If you're doing Nifty trading, you are trading Nifty, you're trading options, then this strategy, you will be much happier. It is more focused, only 1 or 2 calls in a month. You hold for 10, 15, 20 days, and it is more peaceful. Okay, it is not like, you just, one day you are buy, another day you are sell. You decide buy and sell from the TV. You decide buy and sell from the paper. You decide buy and sell from people and sentiment. Don't do sentiment trading in Nifty. There is no sentiment here. Foreign institutions and the data, they are the most intelligent people in the market. So if they have taken a sell position of 7,000, 10,000 crores, you stick with them. You stick with them. That is what the strategy is about. Yeah, this is my view, Sadashiv. I think so it will touch. This is my view. I may be wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong, but I think so the reality is it will touch. You can buy Nifty future, but you can also do the option strategy, Vinodji, I said. So if you're my customer, you will get a call, which call to sell and which call to hedge. So that call comes actually very thoroughly, properly. Okay. So I highly recommend, if you buy the strategy, a call may come. Last month, when many people we were giving, a call came and all the customers made money last month. Right? Who made money last month? Who are anybody there in the group right now? Who understood, who bought this strategy and made money last month? That this was the same time I told them. So the stocks will be released on 6th of July, Raghavendra ji, because the government has shifted the result date from 31st May to 30th June because of COVID. So all the results will be available on 30th, so we will release on 6th of July. Yes, strategy, Nifty index trend strategy, correct, Rajesh ji. That is a correct strategy. If you buy, you will get a very thorough call. So this was the call we generated. If you see, we generated the call on 13 May and we sold at 9456 and we covered at 9164.
We saw somewhere around 8,900 in the middle.
Rajesh ji, last month, did you take this call which I gave on 13th May? I given a sell call in the app. You joined late. Okay. You joined late. Okay, so it's a wonderful strategy, friends, of Nifty. And please understand, how do we calculate the Nifty? I'll also show you again. Because PPT dikha de.
Yes.
So you will get the hedging call, Arvind ji. As I said, that if once you become my customer, you will get the hedging call. What to sell, what to buy. You will get a hedging call properly. I've already told you that tomorrow, if the sell call comes, because when the sell call comes, the app will update you, or you will get a mail that what is to be done. Okay, how do we decide the trend of the Nifty strategy? Is from the F2s and foreign institution investors. The foreign institution investors control the direction of the market. Okay, even the proprietary. Okay, and the client are always losing money. Yeah, it will come automatically, Rajesh, in the app. Hopefully, it should come today or tomorrow. Hopefully, looks like that. Next slide, Vikas.
Yes.
So this is the data which is available in the NSE website every day. Okay, this is how the format they are. Pro are proprietary traders Milan. all the people who trade in their own name, like I'm an NSE member, my company name is Dynamic Equities Private Limited. So if I trade in the name of Dynamic Equities Private Limited, it is known as Pro. Okay. So all the proprietary, all the big brokers trade in their own name also. Yes, it get updated in the app every evening, Rameshji. That's correct. The data. And you have the meter to see whether Nifty trend is what. So if you want my people, if you take the training from my people, they can give you a 1 or 2 day of how to check this data also. You can actually take a 1 or 2 day free trial if you want, they can give you, if you want. Okay, so this data is available. So what we do, next slide. We only see the data of index options. They give data of futures also and stock options also. But I see the data of only index options. Okay, so when I net off this data, I get the net position which I show on the app. Okay, so then I F2 a client and F2 data which I show on the app every day. Show the app, Vikash.
Yes. Yes. Client and FT.
Yeah. So this data we collect and then we put it every day. And then we studied that you should see only 2 dates. Huh? Please remember, again, I'm repeating for everyone. You should see 28th May and today. So 28th May was 20,000 contract and today is 45,000 contract. That means in the clearing, they have sold 65,000 contracts already. So whenever they say 1 lakh contract, a sell call comes. Because it doesn't work. Why index futures doesn't work, Milan, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Because the entire volume has shifted to options. In 2008, the ratio was 1:1. But today, the ratio has become 1:49. Options are much, much higher. So they decide the direction. Index futures does not decide the direction of Nifty. It is the options data which decides the direction. That's why we only see index options. Is it clear? That is why we see only index options. This series will start from 29th May. Lataji, if you're asking this question, that means you have no knowledge of derivative. I recommend, you should study derivative first. Yeah, you can sell Rajeshji futures, but what happened is there is a drawdown. There is a drawdown. So we have seen that. Can you show the drawdown, Vikash?
Yeah.
So what happened is sometime after taking the call, there have been issues. In 41 clearings, 23 clearing, there was no drawdown. Yes, no, yes?
Yeah, 24.
24.
24.
Can you show where is the previous slide?
Let me check.
Previous slide में था ना नीचे उसमें लिखा हुआ था drawdown नहीं था. Previous slide में जो लिखा है PPT था क्या वो?
Yeah. No, this is.
हाँ इसमें 0 drawdown months.
Yeah.
And आप देखेंगे there was about 23 clearing, there was no drawdown. Future का नहीं बनाया क्या?
Future का है ना ये.
Where is the future 0 drawdown का?
Yeah.
उसमें लिखा हुआ नहीं है फिगर में.
हाँ लिख देंगे. Future drawdown बनाया हुआ है. 23 था I think. एक मिनट.
No, that is not correct. Option chain does not give you the participant wise. We see the participant wise data, not the option chain, Vinodji. Option chain does not give you the direction. Drawdown means कि शेयर लिया हम लोग ने 10,100 में बेचा और बाजार 10,100 कि पहले गिरने के पहले एक बार 10,200 हुआ तो 100 रुपए का ड्रॉ डाउन हो गया ना, तो यू हैव अ रिस्क ऑफ 100 रुपीज, तो योर इमोशंस तो आपका काटने लग जाएगा। इसीलिए वी गिव अ हेज स्ट्रेटजी जिसमें रिस्क ड्रॉ डाउन भी होता है तो रिस्क कम है।
Less than 50.
So after taking the call, was I in profit, was I in loss? ध्यान रखिए आपको तो when you will take a call tomorrow, but the square off will only happen on 25th of June on the clearing. आज से लेके 15 दिन कभी मार्केट समझिए आपने 10,100 में you sold and the market goes to 10,200, so you will start feeling shaky, right? These are all forward tested. Again, for everyone, if I sell a position at 10,100, sell call came, I sell. But in the intraday, the market went to 2011. It can happen, the market may go to 10,150. So you are losing 50 rupees. Drawdown. You're not sold your position, but temporarily you will feel very, very scared. How much is the drawdown in future?
Zero drawdown is 7, and less than 50 drawdown is 0 plus less than 50 drawdown is 17.
So basically, out of 41 clearings where we made profit, 17 drawdown is very, very less. And then how much above 100?
Yeah. So should I give you 50 to 100 or
100 के ऊपर बताना, highest से कर देना better रहेगा. Just do from highest ना.
lowest?
Highest. Highest.
Okay.
In the end, you made profit after 15 months, but in between the market is moving. Because of any news, it may go up, then again. So there has been times you made profit, but there was a time you were losing 500 points.
Yes.
इसमें loss वाला इसे profit वाला बताना मेरे को. Loss वाला भी नहीं.
Okay. Yeah.
Maximum drawdown in all profit shares was 323. That means 10,100 लिया है तो मार्केट 10,400 गया, फिर ब्लंद हुआ 10,100 के नीचे. सो 300 पॉइंट का ड्रॉडाउन हो गया ना. आपको तो एमटीएम देना पड़ेगा ब्रोकर को. Okay, so but if you see, there are only few occasions. That's why we giving you a nifty strategy, hedge strategy, कि आप 200 रुपया ऊपर बेचिए, so that has a very less risk. Yes, Mr. Raghavendra, yeah, we understand there is a risk involved. It's not that you will make money very easily. You have to go through that pain for 10-15 days. But because it is tested and you do a right strategy, you'll make. So according to me, futures is not a good option. Because you have to see that there might be losses before you make profit. Did you understand, Manish, Raghavendra? Did you understand, everybody? Yes, no? Is it clear, Manish, Raghavendra, Rajesh? So that is why these are called risky strategies. It is not going to be easy, if it is easy, then it is too easy to make money. But we have tried to make as easy, and we always try to see the risk parameter. That's why when you buy the strategy and you take 2-3 times training, then you become very clear. There's only one strategy of Nifty trend. There's no two strategies. What is both strategies, Vinod?
You might be asking Nifty trend as well as call.
This is all in one strategy only, Nifty. There's no two. Nifty hedge and everything comes in one only. It's one strategy only you buy. Okay, we'll show you quality stocks. We have time. Hemant will spend another 15-20 minutes into quality stocks because people wanted it. Let's come to quality stocks.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to know what the market, Hemant. So we spend time in the market also because it is a very complex market. So how to pick quality stocks comes from certain principles which I want to share.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so these are the 5 principles, Hemant, from which you pick quality stocks. So if you see, we have mentioned above the 5 universal truth. Now, what is the meaning of 5 universal truth? Truth is that you are in New York, you are in London, you are in New Delhi, you are in New Zealand. Wherever you are, whenever you buy any stock, it comes with certain principles. It comes with certain truth. So if it is a truth, it will work anywhere. It will work globally. You should know what are the major truths of the stock market. And once you know the truth, you should make strategies according to the truth. Okay. Now, if you see, we will show you these 5 truths which we have made. I have not found it. It was always there. We take a little credit that how do we decide to pick quality stocks from this truth. Okay. So we will show you from how did we decide the truth is from Warren Buffett. I'll show you this.
Annual report.
So I hope you know Warren Buffett's website is Berkshire Hathaway. So in his annual report, he has given how does he buy the stock. He also mentions that in 5 minutes, my person will put the cursor, 5 minutes, if you can see, he can buy a $20 billion company. Put the cursor on 20 billion. So he has made it. So in 5 minutes, he can decide by following the 6 parameters. So if he can take such a big decision, which he's putting in his annual report, that means you should learn about it. Okay. So number 1, which he definitely says is business earning good returns on equity when employing no debt. So whenever you buy any share, usually investors do not see the return on equity. It is one of the most important fundamental parameters which gives the competitive advantage to a company. ROE, you should study ROE, So with these 5 principles, I teach in a 5-day program. It takes me 5 days. It's actually a 15-hour program, which I've devised, which I give you one-to-one, how to calculate ROE, how ROE can be used to decide. So I'll give you the main principles, but the 15-hour program we do once a month. So next program we are starting on 30th of June. Okay, so we do from 4 to 7. We do a program for 5 days for 3 hours every day, where we make them understand about the program. Okay, so basically I'll tell you the principles, and I don't know if you're already my customer, if you implement this principle on the stock screener. Okay, if you're interested, just give a Priyank, if you just give your phone number, my person will give you a call and everything. He will tell you everything. Let's focus on the how to pick up quality stocks, because this is what we did a market for. We should share the knowledge of how to pick quality stocks. What are the main essential parameters which an investors do not know, and they should know these parameters very, very importantly. Okay, so the long-term quality stocks comes from ROE, and the debt equity should be very, very low. Again, where is this principle coming from? This principle is coming from Warren Buffett. Can you show them, Touch? This is from the website. So business earning good returns on equity while employing little or no debt. So you have to always remember कि मैं कभी भी कोई भी चीज में करूं. Okay, so you should know the return on equity and no debt. Once I explain you Pankit, then I will show you how to show in the app also. Okay, let's understand the principle quickly in 5-7 minutes. Then we will show you how to apply the principle in the app. Okay, now let's go back to another principle. He says that demonstrated consistent earning power. Show there once more.
Sorry.
Demonstrated consistent earning power. And future projections are of no interest to us, nor are turnaround situations. Okay, so we'll show you this principle which we have put on the app. So if you download the app, or even if I go to the website, on the front page, these principles are available. Okay, so can you show the website also or the app? You don't have to pay anything. You at least study the principles which I put on the app, because I want to spread these principles to everyone.
Yes.
See, these are already given. So if you click on the thing, if you click, you will understand the principles here. So we have made all the principles available so that when you download the app, even without being a customer, you can understand the main principles, which helps you to pick quality stocks. What happens is there is so much of nonsense going on in the market, that how to pick quality stocks, where you have a great person like Warren Buffett who makes us understand how to pick a company of $20 billion. 1.5 लाख करोड़ का कंपनी 5 मिनट में खरीदता है, ये 6 प्रिंसिपल देख के. तो क्या हम 1 लाख रुपए का शेयर खरीदने के लिए 5 प्रिंसिपल फॉलो नहीं कर सकते? Please think about it. The mind is so runs like a horse, na? You know, sometimes the mind just wants to make money, but they don't understand the intelligence. If you invest intelligently, you will make money. But we see this, we go into wrong stocks, and then we make a mistake. Okay? So can you just click you? So the second principle which Warren Buffett says is that there should be growth, sales growth, EBIT growth, net profit growth, EPS growth. So if you study this, then you understand, okay, there should be consistent growth. कम से कम 3-4 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल कंपनी पैसा कमाया है. अगर 2-3 साल कमाया है तो आगे भी कमाने का चांसेस है. So when you combine 5 things, sales growth, EPS growth, ROE, debt, and free cash flow, when you combine this, you come out with some fantastic stocks. And I will show you the stock name also right now, because it has growth, Lata. If that is a good question, you have to be careful. Reliance should reduce its debt. Can you go back, Vikas? That is why he's selling his company to Facebook, Microsoft, getting a rights issue, so that he goes, he reduces his debt drastically. Third thing, he says management in place. What is the meaning of management in place? Management वही अच्छा होता है ना. So how did we do it is, the E, how management is placed means जो debt नहीं लेता है. High debt company मतलब management का thinking wrong है. Promoter अपना खुद का share pledge करता है, market में volume ही नहीं है, mutual fund वो share ही नहीं खरीदते हैं. So when you have these kind of, you know, company loss में है, that means management is not in place. So if the management is not in place, you should not invest in the company. This is available on the front page without any cost, my friends, app and website. Okay, so let's see again. And then finally, if you see the principle in Warren Buffett, he says an offering price. What is an offering price? That at what price should I buy a company? So what we have done is, we have put the valuation. Okay, can we have put the valuation, how to do? So all these parameters are available on the app. So for any screen, you can actually decide if the stock is buy, strong buy, hold is updated, every day after the results come out. The everything changes every day. The data is updated every day in the app. So you can understand all the companies, all the 1500 companies who are listed in NSE, the data is available. Okay, we do not see only BSE listed company. We don't show on the app. Okay, so once you understand, then I'll show you the stock screener, that how to pick quality stocks now from the principles. So once you're a customer, you can actually use the stock screener also. So right now we decided that number one was ROE. So let's take ROE above 15. Okay. Then we decided debt should be less. So you can do it yourself. Once you understand the principles, then you can use those principles on the screener and it will give you the best stocks in the market. Which are the best stocks? So I did ROE less than 3. Then I said cash flow should be greater than 0. There should be sales growth greater than 0. Year on year, only annual, yeah. And EPS growth greater than 0. Only annual. So we selected those stocks and we apply. So I got about 65 stocks, which is very good fundamentally. Okay, you can take a name or take a picture of these stocks because you wanted a list. Actually, take a picture, na? Thoda sa upar kar de, because take a picture of the first page quickly. AstraZeneca, Abbott, ESAB, Divi's, Ipca, PI, Relaxo, ISIS, Lombard, Berger, Web of Global. Okay, again go up, because till Web of Global ko khali kar de. Second page, Atul, Nestle, IGL, Pfizer, Sanofi, Garware, HUL, Whirlpool, NIT, Manappuram, Asian Paint, HCL, Alchem. Take a picture, huh? Go up. Alchem, yeah. TCS, Mahanagar Gas, Britannia, Larsen, Colgate, Titan, Mass, Wipro, SBI Life, Procter Gamble, Grindwell, Ratnamani, Indian Energy Exchange. Again go up. I hope you're taking picture, huh? Because you wanted quality stocks. This is how you select. You understand the principle, select the quality stock. I'm giving you the list also. LT Technology, Balkrishna, Bajaj Auto, HDFC Bank, Sheela Foam, V-Guard, Radico, Canfin, Supreme, Nesco, Sera, Emphasis, City Union. Go up. Advanced Engine, Crystal, Persistent, Hexaware, ITC, Castrol, Jasdal, BBTC, Iker, LIC, Cholamandalam, Shriram, Cholamandalam Financial. Go up. And finally, Sun TV, Shriram City, Affle, Credit Ascis, Fine Organic, HDFC Rights. Okay, so we are giving you stocks of 65. These are some of my favorite stocks. So you can actually do it yourself if you're a customer. So if you're interested to take a free training, and if you're interested to get a 2-day free trial to understand and a training from a person one-to-one, understand Nifty, they can give you free training. So you can give your phone numbers right now and we'll call you. We have all your numbers because you've registered. First page, okay, show first page for LV Ramana, finally.
Yeah.
And we should wait because right now the results are all getting updated. So you'll get to know the list of the 2020 stocks also. Show the first, acha, nikal gayi. Maybe the results, Hemant, will come bad, The results we have to check. Is the result out of Just Dial?
Just checking.
You have to check the results.
Yes.
Results are pretty okay only. March 20 results are fine only. देखिए आप quarterly देखें, quarterly देखना. Results are all fine only of Judge Dial. इतना गिरा दिखाएगा. Just see what is the. We don't answer if you buy the. If you understand, everything is given in my app, Ankit. For all stocks, my recommendations are given for all 1500 stocks. Just dial कर दें.
They're not fallen.
Where is it falling? What is wrong? It is actually risen 240 से 420 हो गया. तो कहाँ गिरा है ये?
Today it might have fallen 8-9%.
वो तो ठीक है. आज तो बाजार अलग है. Different. It's a different problem. But in the last 2 months, it is already risen by $200. Raj, for you that you need to learn. Everybody, all the fund managers always want to identify that multi-bagger stock. It was so easy that I would not be training you. But what I have understood is by following the principles, by understanding the knowledge, you can find that stock. Okay? Everybody is trying to do that. Raj, if you can do that, then I would not be here. There is a principle behind it. So be realistic. So by following the 5 principles, by understanding and by learning, you can do it. So I highly recommend you take a 5-day training, understand the principles, and then you can identify the next multi-bagger. Does that answer your question, Raj? Does that answer your question, Mr. Raj K? Thanks, yeah. So be realistic. If I knew the next multi-bagger, I would not be here. But I know the principles, how to find a multi-bagger. So focus on the process. You are focusing कि भगवान आपको आके दे दे ये गोल्ड है. अगर इतना easy होता तो सभी लोग करोड़पति बन जाते. Raj. Okay, the cost of training you can find out from my person. So 5 days we charge 10,000 rupees. So and if you're a customer, there is a discount. So you give your number, Pankti, my person will call you. So anybody wants free training, we have to end the session. Anybody wants free training or you want to use the app for 1 or 2 days, please give your number. We already have your number. If you give the number, my person will give you a call today or tomorrow first. Because we have 174 people. So obviously we cannot call anybody. Whoever will give the number or something, we'll call you. Okay. So please give your number and then we are ending the session now. So if you don't want to give the number, thank you very much. You can go. But by the way, we already have your number because you registered. We're just asking the number so that we'll call you before. We'll call you before. So if you're interested, you just, give your number. Rest you can think. Anybody has any questions, we can answer. Yes, it already happened, Minal Kanti. Why don't you join? Are you a yearly customer or a monthly customer? Those are only for yearly customers, Minal Kanti. If you're a monthly customer, then you will not get the permission. If you're a yearly customer, everybody gets to know, Minal Kanti. So why don't you join? I don't understand. You just call Pratik. You have the number in the app. You just call Pratik and they send you the thing. Monthly. Rajesh, I would recommend buy the strategy because I know you have to trust somebody and then you get trained properly. Yeah, please give your number, Vinodji. My person will give you a call. We only have yearly subscription now. We don't have any monthly subscription. Some customers had monthly subscription before. Can you show the parameters again imputed in StockScreener to get the quality stocks, please? We have already ended the session. Sadashiv, give your number. My person will train you. He can show you 1-to-1 free of cost. Yeah, this is the training program. If you're interested to join. Are you my customer, Rajesh? Are you my yearly customer? Yeah, so, Pratik, just send the recording to Rajesh and check if Mrinal Kanti is a customer. You give him the recording also for yesterday. And please invite Minal Kanti. I don't know why he joins here. He doesn't join the Tuesday webinar. Why he doesn't get the messages? Prateek, please check with Minal Kanti and call him and give me the message back. 100 people are there. Request you. Please give your number if you want training. You want to use the app free for 1 or 2 days. Please give your training, your numbers. We'll give you call first. Or please leave the group because we have to end the seminar. Raghavendra, if you are my customer, you will get it. I hope, Ankul, you are my customer now yearly. It's all on the net, Vinodji. All training is on the net. This is advisory service only. You take the training and we give strategy advice only. Galaxy A30, I don't know your name. Minal Kanti, if you are a yearly customer, please call Prateek. I hope you have the number of Prateek. Can you put the number of Prateek on the front page, Vikash? Please call Minal Kanti on this number and take the recording if you are a yearly customer. Balkrishnan ji, we have given you the idea to become a customer, more training. You can take a free training and they can give you. This is the number of Minal Kanti. Please call up this number and take the free recording if you are. Yeah, you can call Pragya also, Pavanji. All yearly customers, please call Tamal at this time. Please call this number and they will give you the recording for yesterday. Because we have the recording for yesterday, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
We are a much different app, Vinodji. We are completely focused on research. We have strategies, we have nifty strategies, all back tested on artificial intelligence, front tested. It's a research app, it's not a data app. So you take a 1 hour training and you'll understand what we can do in this app. There's a lot of things we can do in the app. We have still 65 people. Please give your number if you're interested for training. Or else please exit so that we can close the group. Or you can call up this number yourself and take training whenever you want to. 833-6087-004. We have 51 people. If you have any question, please ask or please. Yeah, so please give your number, Galaxy A30. My person will call you. You can also call up this number 833-6087-004. Mr. VJ, you call up this number, they will give you all the services.